The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Winning isn't just about luck, talent, or circumstance. It's about mindset. It's about how you train your mind to respond, adapt, and overcome whatever life throws your way. Every situation, no matter how challenging, can be a victory when your mind is prepared, focused, and resilient. Think about the greatest champions, not only in sports, but in life. They don't just react to their circumstances. They master their minds to control the outcome. They have developed a mental discipline so powerful that obstacles become opportunities, failures become lessons, and pressure becomes fuel for their success. But winning in every situation requires more than just hope or positive thinking. It demands intentional training, daily practice, and a commitment to shaping your thoughts and beliefs. Your mind needs to be your strongest ally, not your biggest enemy. Imagine waking up every day with a mindset so strong, so unshakable, that no setback can stop you, no criticism can break you, and no fear can hold you back. This is the power of a trained Minda mind that chooses victory every time. Today, you are about to learn how to develop that power. How to train your mind to stay calm under pressure, to think clearly when the stakes are high, and to win not by chance but by choice. Let's embark on this journey to mental mastery and learn how to win in every situation. The mind is your greatest weapon, sharpen it daily. Your mind is the first battlefield where every victory is won or lost. It's not just a tool, but the very foundation of your existence. Like a blacksmith shaping a blade, every thought you nurture carves the edges of your destiny. When you awaken each morning, you must decide how you will treat this powerful instrument within you. Training your mind is an act of love and discipline. It means choosing what you let in and what you cast out. It means carefully feeding it, not with noise and distraction, but with clarity and purpose. The sharpening does not happen by chance. It requires daily practice, patience, and a fierce commitment to growth. When you wake up, set your intentions like a warrior preparing for battle. Fill your mind with affirmations that affirm your strength and your worth. Whisper to yourself, I am capable, I am worthy, I will rise. These small, repeated acts build a fortress within your soul, a refuge where doubt and fear cannot breach. Imagine your thoughts as seeds scattered in fertile soil. What you water will grow. If you water negativity, anxiety, and fear, those will blossom into barriers that suffocate your spirit. But if you water hope, determination, and belief, those will rise like mighty trees, sheltering you from every storm. Reading and learning are the sharpening stones for the mind. When you immerse yourself in stories of courage, knowledge, and wisdom, your mind absorbs their strength and becomes resilient. Books and stories are not just escapes. They are tools, gifts passed down from those who dared to dream before you. Reflection is another tool, a mirror where your mind meets itself. In quiet moments, ask yourself what beliefs serve you and which hold you back. Challenge your fears, examine your doubts, and uproot them with the sharp sword of truth. This is how you build mental clarity, the light that guides you through darkness. Meditation or silence is the forge where your mind cools and hardens after the heat of daily battles. It is here that you learn to rest, to pause, to regain your strength. In these moments, your mind becomes still enough to hear the voice of your inner strength whispering, keep going. Discipline is the daily ritual of sharpening. It might mean resisting the temptation to dwell on negativity or to give up when the world feels heavy. It means showing up for yourself every day, even when your spirit feels tired. Because a sharpened mind is not the product of ease, it is the product of persistence. Notice how the strongest minds do not dwell on the things they cannot control. They refuse to waste precious energy on worries that lead nowhere. Instead, they focus on what they can influence: their attitude, their actions, their thoughts. This focus is the edge that cuts through despair. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to exercise this sharpened mind. When hardship comes, your mind is ready. It does not crumble, but bends and adapts. It listens deeply, learns quickly, and responds with grace. This is not magic, it is the fruit of training. Your mind can become a sanctuary or a prison, The difference lies in how you treat it. If you clutter it with fears and doubts, it suffocates your dreams. But if you nourish it with courage and hope, it becomes a garden where every flower of possibility blooms. Gratitude is a sharpening tool as well. When you start your day focusing on what is good, what is working, your mind naturally shifts to a higher frequency. This mindset turns obstacles into stepping stones and pain into lessons.